based on this, next we can see identity property. So identity property of addition, identity property of multiplication, what we can see here. So first we can see identity property of addition. Identity property of addition. 0 is the identity, additive identity. 0 is the additive identity. So for example, so what is the additive identity? 0 with one rational number add means, or rational number with 0 add means also rational number only will get. Rational number only will get. For example, 0 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 with 0 add also 3 by 4 only will get. 3 by 4 only will get. So this is additive identity. Now, so next you can say multiplicative identity, which is a multiplicative identity. So which is multiplicative. So one is multiplicative identity. One is the multiplicative identity. So what is that property? 1 plus, no. So 1 into a, or 1 with rational number, or rational number with 1 multiply means also rational number only will get. 1 with rational number, or rational number with 1 and multiply also rational number only will get. For example, so 1 into 3 by 4, or 3 by 4 into 1, so we will get 3 by 4 only will get. So in this way we can find additive property of additive identity and multiplicative identity of property. So next you can see multiplicative inverse. No, sorry, inverse property. Next you can see inverse property. So which is a inverse property, you can see here, which is an inverse property. So first you can see additive inverse, which is a additive inverse, which is a additive inverse. So additive inverse, which is, so additive inverse, which is means a plus, so a is complement only identity, inverse of a. Inverse of a what? Additive inverse what? A is complement. A is complement means a is negative. So a plus negative a. A plus of negative a, or negative a plus positive a. So what will get? 0 only will get. 0 only will get. Oh, so we can see check here. So a, for example, 1 by 2, a value is 1 by 2 plus b value a, so a value 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so we will get 1 by 2 plus and minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, no, so then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0, so same denominator now. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0. So 0 only will get. If you add the inverse property means 0. The 0 only will get. So next we can see multiplicative inverse. So what is it? It is a multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. So for example, here a. So a is multiplicative inverse 1 by a. A is multiplicative inverse 1 by a. So what is that? So a into 1 by a is equal to 1 by a into a. So it will come. So 1 only will come. So it's 1. So a cancel. A cancel means 1 equal to 1 will come now. So in this way we can find inverse property of addition and multiplication. Did you understand this? For example, for in this how to find example. So say one rational number. So 2 into 1 by 2, or 1 by 2 into 2. So we will get 2 cancel, 2 cancel. The solution is 1. So 1 only we get. So in this way we can find inverse property. Did you understand this?